How to fix Gangstar New Orleans app not working. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your internet is working properly. Then head to the Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the source icon. Now simply tap on the source bar and type Gangstar New Orleans. Now once you are done with that, simply tap on source icon. Now tap on Gangstar New and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps, tap on app management and tap on the search bar. Now type Gangstar. Now click on search. Now tap on Gangstar. Now click on force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Now restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.